Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, my name is Vinny, and today we're talking watches, but specifically we're talking this watch. I just got this in the mail today. I think you guys are gonna be extremely surprised with what I bought, but this is my new watch, and today we're gonna unbox it and take a quick look at it and tell you guys why I decided to buy this watch and how it came to be. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this and let's do this unboxing, or whatever you call this, because I'm not so sure that it's supposed to come like this. I got it from eBay. It was less than 100 bucks, brand new. But yeah, I'm curious as to if this is how it's supposed to come when you buy it from the store, or if this is just the eBay budget version. I'm sure quite a few of you guys out there own this watch, so if you could please send me a photo of what your box looks like, just so I know. Is it supposed to be like this, or did the eBay buyer just cheap out and send me plastic wrap? But of course, before we start, I am wearing the Submariner right now. This is the customer wrist check for the day. I picked the Submariner back in April for my birthday, as most of you guys know. And now this is joining the collection today. So let's go ahead and dive in closer and let's actually unbox this. This is the first time I've seen this watch. I literally just got out of the mail this morning. I had a comment a couple months back when I unboxed a Submariner saying that I was unboxing an already unboxed watch. So this time I've just left it the way I found it. So we're unboxing it together. This is my first time. This is your first time. I'm bringing you guys along with me. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if I even like this watch. I bought it off eBay. I've never actually seen it in person or wore it in person at any retailer, boutiques, or anything like that. So this is the first for me. So hopefully we don't get any comments saying he's unboxing an already unboxed watch. Although I don't know if you can consider this a box. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So again, this is how I got it in the mail. Let's go ahead and cut this open here on top. I think I just hit the watch, but so here we go. I got features an automatic movement. Awesome. That's really why I bought this watch. Only when crown is closed properly is why it's when it's water resistant. Awesome. Good to know. So this is just the quick manual, or actually this is the manual here. So this is the owner's manual. All right. Anyways, let's move on to the watch here. That's what's important. Take care of all that stuff later. Here is the watch. Now I got the SNK 803 reference number, and this is the beige color. Wow, it actually pretty nice in person. This is a 37mm watch. What we'll do is we'll go over the actual technical specs of this watch as I wear it more. But yeah, again, I bought this watch specifically for the fact that, one, it is, I believe, the cheapest automatic movement watch that you can own. Or one of the cheapest ones, or best value, I should say. I shouldn't say cheapest, I should say best value, because I have heard a lot of good things about these watches. I heard that they last. It actually has a fairly nice build quality. I'll have to fiddle with it more. But what we'll do is we'll take the Submariner off. So this is a 37mm compared to the sub as being a 40mm. Gives you a good size difference here. Okay, why did I buy this watch? I bought this watch specifically because I want to wear a watch. I'm a watch guy. I want to wear a watch when I'm doing everything. Whether I'm biking, whether I'm hiking, whether I'm cooking, whatever it is, I need to be wearing something. So I figured, first of all, it needs to be an automatic. Great. Second of all, I don't want to spend a lot of money. Just spend a lot of money on buying these guys. So my beater watch cannot cost a lot of money. And so I figured, why not give this watch a try? I've heard so many good things about it. I've heard they're pretty durable. And again, I'm actually pretty impressed with this build quality. This is less than $100. And I wanted a canvas strap, something that's just comfortable. Again, I'm gonna be wearing this when I'm hiking and biking. So I don't want a bracelet. I wanted something that's just gonna be comfortable, easy. And this just seemed perfect. This material here. This is a 37mm, I think I said that earlier. So it's not too big, which again, I have a small wrist anyways, so it's gonna fit perfectly. I went for the beige color because I don't have any watches in this color, this cream dial. Would you look at that? That cream dial is actually incredibly nice for the price. Again, under 100 bucks. And so far, the canvas strap is extremely comfortable. The size is good on my wrist, 37mm. I'm actually incredibly impressed with how this is so far. And we're back out. Look at this thing. I wonder if this will pick it up on the camera here, but I am incredibly impressed so far. One, with the build quality. I mean, for less than $100, this is incredible. I've never owned a Seiko, I've never owned a Casio. I made a video prior to the watches I've owned, and I've never really understood why these watches were so popular, but I get it now. Like, this is actually crazy, and I want to wear it. Is it weird? I mean, I have watches like this, but something so simple like this is totally catching my eye and making me appreciate this brand. I mean, Seiko, I've never thought about it like this, but that's actually incredible. And I love the open back movement, and you could see everything, which is just crazy. And it's already moving, which means I'm sorry, don't mind me. I'm really just obsessed with how awesome this watch is for under $100. I'm gonna have to buy my girlfriend one. This is actually crazy. Throughout this, I'll put some macro shots of the movement and the watch up close. You guys can kind of see the color, the dial, and all that kind of stuff. Now, this was just a quick unboxing video. Again, unboxing, right? It came in like a plastic wrap, but I will make a review of this once I have had some wrist time with it. I need to actually try it on and wear it for like a couple weeks before I give you guys an update on how I actually like the watch. But first impressions, really, really incredible buy for under $100. I mean, I got it on eBay for under $100. I don't know how much it is in retail store and all that kind of stuff, or what it would be at a boutique store. I'm sure if you get all the bits and bobs, like the box and everything, it's gonna be a little bit more than $100. And if you get the bracelet, if you get a bracelet on it, I know it's over $100. But man, this canvas strap is super cool, especially if you're gonna be using it for active wear and stuff like that, which is exactly why I'm gonna be wearing it. So I would opt in for the canvas strap if you're gonna be wearing it while you're biking, hiking, running. I don't know what people do these days. But yes, of course, thank you guys so much for joining me on this new collection day. I'm actually extremely excited to wear this watch and give you guys an updated review on it. If you guys like the content, which I know it wasn't much in this video, it was really, really short, but of course I will be adding new watches to the collection and so on and so forth. If this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all the support this far. The next goal is 1,000 subscribers. And this is a quick sneak peek as to what's going to come to this channel. What I really want to do later on moving forward with this channel is actually giving away watches like this. The watches that I think are just extremely good value, that I think that everyone should at least try. And there's a lot of people out there that want to get into watches and just haven't been able to kind of get into them as pricing, whatever it may be. But I know watches like this, everyone can get into them. And if I'm really, really impressed with it, what I would like to do is give away watches like this later on. So if that's something you're interested in, again, that's just a sneak peek. That's something I want to do as the channel grows bigger and bigger and bigger. I don't think it would be anytime soon, as we're still under 1,000 subscribers, but that's a sneak peek for the future. And with that being said, make sure you like the video. It helps me tremendously. And make sure you subscribe so then you're up to date when I do decide to give away watches like this. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.